Hello friends, welcome back to GharaJavan. If you're new to GharaJavan, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I'm making a very delicious dry fish curry. I'm using small sized anchovy fish. In Konkani we call this fish as Bounshe. Using dry anchovy fish, you can make a variety of recipes like fish chutney, fish sukka or even curry. This is one of the best recipes which is tried during monsoon season and cold weather. Remove the head of the fish. Clean the fish well. Here you can see that I have cleaned the fish. I have removed all the dirt from the abdominal region of the dried fish. I'll be washing the dried fish for around 3 to 4 times. After washing it thoroughly, soak it in warm water for around 5 to 10 minutes so that all the sand particles and the remaining salt gets washed away. Now let's make coconut masala paste for the curry. Please note the ingredients required. You need badagi red chili, round red chili, coriander seeds, methi seeds, ajwain and jeera. I will be dry roasting all of these spices for around a minute under low heat. Cool the roasted ingredients. You need half grated coconut. Transfer the roasted spices and the grated coconut into the mixer jar. Add small teaspoon of turmeric powder, marble sized tamarind. Add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. Here is the coconut masala paste ready. The fish was soaked for around 10 minutes. Squeeze the fish well to remove excess of water. And I'll be adding a little of salt and keeping it aside. Now let's begin to make the curry. Heat around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'll be frying one large finely chopped onion. I'm adding a little of salt. This helps to fry the onions sooner. I'll be frying the onions until it is golden brown in color. Now add the ground coconut masala paste. Add water from the leftover masala from the mixer jar. You can add a little of water so as to maintain the gravy consistency. It should not be too dilute nor thick. Mix well and let the gravy boil. Meanwhile, let's fry the anchovies. I'll be heating a little of coconut oil in a frying pan. Fry the anchovies under moderate heat. I've been frying it for around 3 to 5 minutes. Remember that you need to add a little of salt to this fish while frying. The gravy is almost boiled well. To the boiling gravy, I'll be adding some kokum, slit green chili and 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Mix well. The kokum, green chilies and the onion leaves a wonderful aroma into the boiling gravy. Finally, I'll be adding the fried anchovies. It's recommended you fry the anchovies before adding to the gravy since it gives a wonderful taste. Also, the fish meat does not dissolve into the gravy. When it begins to boil, close the lid and switch off the flame. Here is the delicious dried anchovy fish curry ready. This curry goes well along with red boiled rice. You can also enjoy it along with neer dosa. Hope you liked my recipe. Please do try. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.